Hello, my name is Randy Mansfield with the Continental Tool Group. I'd like to introduce to you the UT8787-23 7-inch angle grinder that takes compact power to new levels. It's built with a 2.3 horsepower governed motor for constant speed and stall-free operation, running at 8,500 RPM. Designed for 7-inch Type 27 wheels, it offers a tool-free guard adjustment, spindle lock for quick wheel changes, and an ergonomic composite grip with a vibration-damped ambidextrous side handle. The spindle length is designed to safely accept threaded hub backing pads and wheels, providing adequate exposed threads to safely secure wheels. At just 3.9 pounds and 9.1 inches long, it's incredibly compact for a 7-inch grinder, while consuming just 10 CFM average airflow. The UT8787-23 gives you full-size grinding capacity in a manageable, compact footprint.